Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're going to be looking at how to get rid of some pesky ants that have infiltrated your home. You're probably watching this video because you indeed have a similar issue. This little guy, for example, I found near our kitchen. He is up to something. I don't know if that's another bug or a piece of food or whatnot, but he's got to go. This is the product that I use. I found it to be really effective. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. It comes with this little clear liquid and these little tabs, and it's really simple. Like I said, you just take off these little tabs. You can use either side, it's not important, or of course you can use really any piece of cardboard, kind of lightweight cardboard material, anything sturdy enough where you can pick it up and it won't bend. And you just unscrew the cap, take off the seal, of course, and discard that. Put the cap back on, and you'll want to avoid contact, of course, with this liquid directly. You can read up on the instructions and what's exactly in it. Again, check out that link if you need to. But it really goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. Check this out. We have 1 drop. We'll put it right in the center there. You can see it's a clear liquid and it forms really well. So it's a little thick, not super liquidy, so it's not going to run off or anything. And that was just 1 drop. So we're going to put that in kind of a suspected high frequency area, which happens to be between the cabinets and the fridge. You can see there's quite a bit of like food and whatnot. I know it's pretty gross, sorry about that. But we're going to put 1 there, and I'm going to just take a little knife and kind of slide it back so it's out of the way of kids and pets. This stuff is obviously toxic, so please make sure you put that out of the way. Again, read the instruction manual for further clarifications there. We're going to use another tab here, and this time I'm going to flip it over just to show you can really use any piece of cardboard if you want. I'm going to put 2 drops on because I saw more ants hanging out in my pantry. I've got a wire shelf pantry, so a lot of food specks kind of fall down. Also around the trash can area. Now they don't usually hang out in plain sight by the trash can. They seem to be picking up crumbs and kind of heading back to the back corner of the pantry. I've seen lots of them hanging around there, and I suspect they're doing some things underneath the baseboard behind there. There's a little crease where I've seen them kind of go in and out. So I'm just going to put 1 back here. Obviously, close it up so kids and pets can't get to it. I'm forming kind of a wall with my Tupperware, and you can see there the ants can easily access those 2 drops of the good sweet stuff. Now it's highly sweet, so they're going to be attracted to it, right? They're going to the idea is that they come up to it, take a few bites, and hang out with it like this, and then go back and share it with their buddies. And that's the end of them. So you can see them in action. I checked this the next day, and they have definitely found it, definitely are attracted to it, and are feasting on it. So there's one in the center bottom of the screen that didn't look like he didn't quite make it, which is obviously what I want. And that's about it. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you in getting rid of your ant problem. Thank you very much.